So this is the update of our ongoing trade, like a swing trade dated last October 16. So the first trade that I created was October 16 hanggang ngayon po ay ongoing pa rin. That's almost around 15 days. Yeah, it's almost 2 weeks na po na tumatakbo ang ating trade. Now, this is what we call one of the swing trades that I have. Maaari po kayong kumita nito, but kailangan lang po, you have to identify what kind of trader you are. Kasi baka po, kung hindi kayo swing trader, ay medyo maaalanganin po kayo nito. No? Because being a swing trade requires a lot of patience and requires a lot of accuracy. Now, I'm going to share to you the output na po, no? The currently running, what is running, not to brag or boast of something else, just to show you po that if ever you are willing really to understand and to learn trading, it will really pays off, no? Here it is. This is the Euro AUD that I have started my trade on this side. That was my first trade. Then makikita nyo ngayon, eto na siya, no? A total of ilan na ba to? A total of 195 pips na po. Foresee this on the 1-day time frame. So nakikita ko that there is an ongoing head and shoulders on the 1-day time frame. Then meron ding head and shoulders, no? Small head and shoulders, particularly on the right, starting the right shoulder, nagkaroon din ng head and shoulders na naman, which is makikita natin nagkaroon ng break, no? Break on the 1-day. This one. Then meron din, aside from that, 4 hours, nagkaroon na naman ng another head and shoulders on the 1 hour, starting on the right na naman. So this one here, ito. So nag-break na naman siya dito. So ito na po, this is the current standing ng ating swing trade, no? Now what I want you to see is that ito na siya po, no? Is yung saan yung mga entry point level ko, no? Papansin nyo, papapalitin ko lang to. Yan. Let's go to 4 hours. Yan. My first entry was this. This is October 16. Then my second entry was in this side. My third entry was in this side. So, papansin nyo, umakyat pa rin siya. Then, bago siya bumaba. And my fourth entry, which is ito. So, bakit dyan? Of course po, lahat yan supported with my analysis and as simple as the strategy of identifying which saan yung support, saan yung resistance, and combination of time frame ang mga support and resistance nila. So, mapapansin nyo, kaya meron mga key level yan. And if we go to 1 hour, ito naman yung trade ko on the 1 hour time frame. Ito yung trade ko on the 4 hours time frame. Ito yung trade ko kasi he break out on the 1-day time frame. No? So, for the take profit, mapapansin nyo, meron din akong 4. Now, first was in this one. Second is in this. Third is in this one. And lastly, in this one. As I have said, this is are all nag-a-adjust po. Depende lang po sa performance ng market if he will break my current support and resistance that I have identified. And looking forward, natatapusin niya ito. No? So, that's it. I-update ko lang po ang next. If actually we are halfway yet, no? Nasa kalahati pa lang, no, sa goal natin ang trade. The potential will be great on this na talagang ihihit niya yung goal natin. But then again, I need to be, anticipate what currently is the market is doing, and how the banks also try to try to earn from this kind of thing. So, stay tuned lang po. Titingnan lang po natin if talagang maitatama or mahihit niya yung goal natin. Again, this is a swing type of trade that is actually running for almost 2 weeks na. This is Uling Cyril. Maraming salamat po.